The theme for International Women's Day this year is Choose to Challenge. And what do you need to challenge? You need to challenge the beliefs and biases that reduce women. Let me give you an example. Perhaps you're in a leadership meeting and perhaps you're hearing John tell Mary, you should have been more forceful in this meeting. Now, your instinct is to go ahead and ask, why did you say that? The fact is, between stimulus and response lies control, compassion, and curiosity. Rather than lead with the why questions, go ahead and lead with the how and the what. How did you come to the conclusion that Mary should have been more forceful? What lets you know that Mary should have been more forceful? In fact, it's the quality of the question that is of value to the recipient, where they come to the conclusion about their own beliefs and biases. So, when it comes to this particular International Women's Day, I want you to follow some principles. When you see it, say it. When you intuit it, clarify it. When others don't see it, you choose to challenge. And when you choose to challenge, don't challenge what they say. Challenge the beliefs and biases between what they say. So I want to wish you well this International Women's Day as you seek to bring out the best in every woman you serve. Thank you.